Hi, I'm Dr. Anita Collins and I am passionate about providing every Australian child with a high quality music education. They don't just deserve it, they need it, because we now know music education wires their brains to be powerful learners. The Building a Musical Schools kit has been developed for educators who've been inspired by the Challis story and want to develop music education in their own schools. Whether you're a teacher or a principal or a highly committed parent, we think this kit can help you. We'll take you through the practicalities of how to start a music program in your school or how to expand the one you've already got. Maybe identify some ways you can find some funding and look at that really difficult issue of time and space for music and how you can engage your school community. Every child deserves a quality, ongoing music education. If you would like to do something to help this happen in your school, we think this kit can help you.